In New England, historic charm defines every street and every home. When we took on this project, our goal was to preserve that character while creating a home built for the future. The intent was not simply to build bigger, but to build better. We honored the classic architecture found throughout New England, keeping the scale, proportions, roof lines, and details that give these homes their timeless character. From the street, it feels as though the home has always belonged, while every layer beneath was carefully engineered for long-term performance. To achieve that balance, we relied on CertainTeed's complete exterior system, a coordinated approach designed to protect against New England's demanding climate while elevating both durability and beauty. We began at the foundation of the building envelope. The home is wrapped with Vicor ENVS, a fully adhered weather-resistant barrier that provides continuous air and water protection. Its acrylic vapor-permeable membrane allows the wall assembly to properly manage moisture while sealing tightly around fasteners and penetrations. In a climate defined by wind-driven rain, heavy snow, and constant freeze-thaw cycles, this layer plays a critical role in protecting the structure. For the roof, we installed CertainTeed landmark architectural shingles in charcoal black. The dual-layer fiberglass construction adds dimensional strength and depth, while advanced asphalt technology is engineered to resist cracking, blistering, and granule loss over time. Beneath the shingles, roof runner synthetic underlayment serves as a critical secondary water-shedding layer, reinforced to resist tearing and designed to maintain stability across the roof deck. At the eaves, valleys, and other vulnerable areas, WinterGuard's self-adhered ice barrier in both sand and granular finishes provides added protection against ice dams and wind-driven moisture, an essential safeguard for homes in the Northeast. The siding package blends classic New England style with modern performance. We selected Cedar Impressions Sawmill Shakes in Natural Blend, combining light and medium tones to achieve the look of hand-split cedar with deep shadow lines and an authentic wood grain look. Formed from durable polymer, these shakes deliver the beauty of traditional craftsmanship without the ongoing maintenance demands of real wood. To complement the shakes, we installed Rise lap siding in Colonial White with 5-inch revealed. Manufactured from a high-performance synthetic fiber composite, Rise offers long-term dimensional stability, resistance to moisture, and minimal expansion and contraction. It delivers the timeless lap profile expected in a historic neighborhood while providing durability and low-maintenance performance for decades to come. All transitions, corners, and architectural details are finished with restoration millwork PVC trim. Its cellular PVC composition resists moisture, insects, and warping while allowing for precise cuts and clean architectural lines. It serves as a finishing detail that ties the entire exterior together while maintaining the authenticity the neighborhood demands. This home respects New England's classic charm while integrating high-performance materials built for the future. Using CertainTeed's complete exterior system, we paired classic design with modern engineering to create a home that looks timeless, yet performs at a level far beyond what came before. The result is a home that honors the past while embracing the future, made possible by CertainTeed.